Come with me on a little coastal adventure to Burnham-on-Sea, where I set out to photograph one of the UK's quirkiest little lighthouses. Perched right on the beach, standing on legs, looking like it's about to wander off into the sea. Now I had big plans for some lovely reflections once the tide came, but of course, Mother Nature had other plans. We had an offshore breeze, which meant the water was a bit choppy, definitely not calm mirror-like surface I was at. Never mind. Still, I found a composition I really liked, using the lead lines of the waves to move your eye through the image. The lighthouse as the star of the show, it actually worked out pretty nicely once I stopped seeing. At one point, it looked like the sun was going to go completely behind a stubborn band of clouds sitting right on the horizon. I thought the whole thing was going to be a write-off. But then, right at the last minute, the sun made a surprise appearance, lit up the whole sky with a gorgeous glow. Classic dramatic exit. Setting-wise, I went with f/22 to get a starburst effect on the sun, quarter of a second to show some movement in the water, ISO 50 to keep things nice and clean. I used KF Concept Polarizer and ND Grad to keep the sky in check because it was definitely trying to steal the show. Now I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, maybe share it, and if you like this kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button for some more chilled out missions like this. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.